Ricardo Cooking Show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen, giving your favorite recipe. We take it to the next level, Jamaican Valley season. Anyway, what we're going to do today, we want to make you a nice, lovely Jamaican brown stew chicken. Alright? And I'm going to show you from start to finish. You're going to love this one. We're going to use the Jamaican Valley season to marinate the chicken, bring in a lovely flavor, taste, everything. You're gonna love this one. Thank you so much for tuning into the show. My name is Chef Ricardo, as I know it before, and you know me, we got a lot more recipe, a lot more ideas, and a lot more things that are coming out for the fans. I love you all, and stay tuned. Lovely guys, so basically, as I say, we're gonna show you how to marinate the Jamaican brown stew chicken. I'm gonna be using the Jamaican Valley season. This recipe is going to be a bomb recipe. Alright guys, so first thing what I'm going to do, I'm going to be using some natural ingredients. That's the first thing I'm going to be using on the Jamaican brown stew chicken today. So first thing, let's go into the natural seasoning. We're going to add the real Jamaican authentic season. So I got 3 cloves of garlic, which I'm going to be using, simple cutting up very finely. You don't need to stress yourself about one heap of garlic, because you don't know what, the Jamaican Valley have a lot of season. We got some fresh thyme, nice one. Also spring onion, two cloves of spring onion, which we're going to be using. Also we got some pimento. I'm going to put a little bit of pinch of pimento upon it. We got 2 tomatoes, medium-sized tomato. A wicked recipe this guys. The guys gonna love this one, and we're gonna do this one. And right now is me and my daughter are here, and we're going to cook some food today because Chef Ricardo is in the kitchen. And then right here, half of a white onion, nice one. We're going to use some peppers now. So this is some yellow pepper, and I'm going to be using half of the yellow pepper. Red pepper. You know, when Chef Ricardo cook, you know the thing set already. We have to use all of these to give it a lovely flavor. And then we have some green pepper. You don't know what, I believe the bowl is a little bit too small, you know, I might have to get a bigger bowl. Alright, carrot is a must. Put some carrot in it. 2 medium-sized carrot. I might just use up the rest of half a white onion. Alright. Nice one. What I'm going to do, I'm going to be switching over my bowl because the bowl is a little bit too small. So I'm going to get a bigger bowl. Alright. So what I'm going to do is transfer everything into the bigger bowl, which is going to be better. Alright, so first thing, I know the bigger bowl gonna work much better. So look at this now. Get the chicken with all of those nice lovely season, and just simple transfer it over just like this. All of those natural season and everything. We're gonna put on the Jamaican Valley season pan now. You know what's gonna happen? Everything gonna just kick in lovely and nice. So what we're going to do now, let's sanitize this. What we're gonna do now, we're gonna touch to the real main part of the everything of when you're gonna cook at home. Let's put a little bit of cracked pepper. Nice one. Anything else? I believe that it's so far now. We're gonna put on some all-purpose season. Let's marinate him up now. All-purpose season, 1 tablespoon. And then this is some chicken season. We're gonna put on a large tablespoon. Man, sell off. That's gonna be really nice. Really nice. So we got on the chicken season. We're gonna put on some chicken spice. 1 large tablespoon of the chicken spice. The only reason why I'm using 1 large tablespoon because this season doesn't got a lot of salt in it. This is just really a really amazing recipe with this chicken season I'm using on the all-purpose. So we're gonna put on roughly half tablespoon of the jerk season. Nice one. So all I eat upon it right there, sir. Then what we're gonna do now, you can use olive oil or vegetable oil. I'm gonna put on roughly about 2 tablespoons of the olive oil or vegetable oil. Whatever oil you like to use. It's up to you. Wicked recipe this, guys. I know you guys are gonna love this one. This is exactly what me I talk about. You saw that look nice? You saw that look nice? This is the Jamaican Valley season, guys. Working out to where you want to be with it. As I say, please visit their website and get your season for Christmas. So what I'm gonna do, I put on my gloves. I'm gonna just simply rub up the chicken like this. If you notice, I stop use all-purpose season. No, not all-purpose. Paprika season, guys. Sorry, I don't use paprika no more. All right. Especially when I use the Jamaican Valley season. I don't need all-purpose season. Yeah. So just take a good look here, sir. Oh, this look nice. And remember, you know, we're not done with it yet. What we're gonna do here now? I eat this. You don't need to put on this whole heap of nothing else. Guys, what happened? The Jamaican Valley season does come in and fit in the right and proper way how you want it to be. Alright? I eat this. Look at this. I eat this. Me no need nothing more else on it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna leave this for about 2.5 hours for it to get soaked. Then I'm gonna show you how to cook it. Alright? And you wanna cook it the next day, it's up to you. Alright, guys? Thank you so much for watching. So that's the way I marinate it. All you need to do is to wrap it, put it in your fridge and leave it for 2 hours for it to soak. Nice and lovely. So guys, basically I have a medium-sized pot on the stove. Look at this. Nice pot to make a nice lovely brown stew chicken in there. Alright. The chicken which I'm using the thigh bit of the chicken. Sorry, I should tell you that earlier. But I'm using the thigh bit. What I'm going to do, I'm going to pop a little bit of oil inside of a frying pan like this. Roughly about 2 tablespoons of either vegetable oil or olive oil. You know, you guys like the oil where you guys want to use. It's up to you. Alright. Then next thing what I'm going to do is, I know the pot is a little bit hot at the moment. I have about 3 to 4 minutes now. So what I need to do is take I'm gonna use my tongue and I'm gonna simply put in the chicken like this. I'm not gonna be like, you know, I want to get a nice color. Like this. And like this. Alright, so it's not a lot of chicken anyway still. It's only, what is that? 2, 4, 6 pieces. That's fine. That's not too bad. Alright. So we want to get a nice lovely brown color, and then what we're going to do, we're going to add all of the veg and add some liquid, more seasoning if we needed. Get a nice lovely color from it. Anyway, nice one. And things looking good so far. Nice and lovely. So basically what we're going to do is turn over the chicken like this. And like this. And like this. So you want to get that nice lovely brown color. That looking nice and lovely. Nice guys, nice, nice. Look at that. So that look nice? Yeah. Yeah. We want to cook a little bit more. Nice and lovely. So basically, I'm going to take them out and put them in my bowl. Yeah, it's looking good, man. And then we're going to scrape out the vegetable. Yeah. Let's scrape out the vegetable. I'm going to fry up the vegetable now to make a nice, lovely sauce for the chicken. Just look at that. Look at that. Look at that. So this is the vegetable. I'm going to show you how to make a nice, lovely brown stew sauce for your chicken at home. Alright? And let's get some more ingredients. Nice and lovely. So basically, as you can see, this is cooking so far. You got the pepper, carrot, onion, and all these things in it. So I'm going to fry them off. What am I going to do? Put a little bit of dry thyme. Just a little pinch of dry thyme. And I'm going to put a little bit of ketchup. Give it a stir. Gonna bring in a lovely flavor to all that right now. And a nice color. We're gonna put roughly about a tablespoon of browning. I just boiled my kettle. So what I'm going to do, I'm gonna add some boiling water. Roughly about 2 cups of water. That's looking good. What I'm gonna do is put in my chicken in it like this. You see that? That's looking lovely and nice. A lot of people doesn't know how to make Jamaican brown stew chicken. So this is an easier way for the fans them. We will show them right now. What I'm going to do is just simply taste the liquid. So nice it is. To be honest, it'll take a little bit more the Jamaican flavor seasoning right. Seriously, big man thing. Alright. Little bit of the chicken spice, just to bring in a color, a flavor to it. And some of the all-purpose season, and the Jamaican flavor seasoning I'm using. Nice. Look at that. So that look good? Boy, oh boy, I don't know what Chef Ricardo going on with. I don't know what Chef Ricardo going on with, you know. You don't have to tell me, you know. But look at this. You don't never see nothing look like. Oh my God, in heaven. Tell me. Look at this. Cover it. Turn on your stove a little bit low to about 3 or 4 gas mark. And make it stand the simmer down for about one nice good 10 minutes. Nice and lovely. Guys, I just finished turning off my stove, but it's finished. But what I want to say to you, I'm going to shear it out and make you guys see exactly what I'm talking about. But it's finished cooked now. I just make it cook for about 20 minutes. And that's the way it look. Lovely and nice and tasteable. So let's shear it out and see exactly how it look. Once the meat is cooked, you're good to go. Alright? Nice one. So guys, as I said, I did finish cook it off and I shear it out now, and this is the way how the brown stew chicken look. Nice and lovely. So please subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you so much. With some rice and some salad at the side. You know, it's an amazing recipe and I know your fans will love this one. Don't forget to tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. Subscribe is very important. Like and share is also very important. I love you all and thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Show.